Hi, I'm Steve. I'm the Regional Manager for the Southern and Central area for Ebara Pumps UK, and I'm here today to introduce you to our new K-Series. We have two options within our K-Series. We have our EVMS, which is our multi-stage vertical, and we also have our Matrix, which is our multi-stage horizontal. Ebara Pumps and Pump Technology have been in partnership for many years now, and Pump Technology are a trusted distributor of ours and have a very wide knowledge of our full product range. But today we're here to introduce both the K-Series and multi-stage horizontal and vertical. So the difference between our new e-speed inverter and compared to other competitors in the market is really sort of the basics. So we've gone back to making it really easy and simple to use. So you don't need a manual for this. It's pretty sort of straightforward. It's been very intuitive. So it has a setup wizard, and within that setup wizard, when you turn it on, it asks you 8 questions. So one of the questions is your setup pressure point. Another question is the amperature, the current amperature of the actual motor itself. Another one is, say for an example, the language or the date and time. So once you put in all of this basic information, make sure obviously the rotation is correct, and then you've effectively commissioned it, and that's why this inverter is a lot easier. It also has many of other features, so as I say, you don't need the manual. It records all of your alarm history, so if there's any faults, in the usual case you would have just a common code, whereas here it will still give you the code, but it also gives you the actual fault and what the actual fault is. So for an example, if it's a transducer failure, it would quite simply say transducer failure. You have 2 inputs and 2 outputs within here, and you also can set multiple set points. So you could have a different pressure set for the day and for the evening, depending on what application it's used for. And it also has a timetable built in within it as well, so you can actually get it to start and stop and do different pressures for different times and different days of the week. Okay, so our e-speeds currently we have on single phase in, 3 phase out, it goes up to 2.2 kilowatts, and our 3 phase goes up to 4 kilowatts. So that's 3 phase in, 3 phase out. We are due to launch and introduce an extended range where within the 3 phase, where you'll be able to have higher kilowatt capabilities, but also on all options you'll have better software updates where you will be able to do multiple different applications rather than just constant pressure. Okay, should you need any more information in regards to our Ebara e-speeds, please don't hesitate to contact Pump Technology, where they'll be able to give you more technical information and support. Thank you, and again it's Steve from Ebara. Thank you very much.